Hi there, you guys, and welcome back to SA Social Media News, where we get to bring you the hottest, hip, and happening entertainment news. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't done so. Fans of the much-loved Showmax series The Wife were recently left shocked when in the recent episode we got to see one of the most steamiest tlof-tlof scene between Zandile, which is portrayed by Khanyi Mbau, and Nkosana, played by Mondli Makhoba. Now, the people of Mzansi were convinced that that scene between the two was real, you guys. Film Pella recently hosted a space on Twitter where Khanyi Mbau and Mondli explained that tlof-tlof scene. Here's the video.
And they just explained to us there about the stripping of their private parts.
Okay, who was it? Who was it saying that?
Okay, I'll answer the part of the muffing. So, I wore the thinnest strap underwear, thinnest T-strap underwear you could ever imagine. So, like I said, camera work allows it allows you, well, it allows the illusion for you to think there's nothing there when there's everything there. So, for instance, when that scene, when he went down on me, there was literally a big camera. Usanza was literally in the sheets with us. There's a big camera, there's another man in there, there's a boom over me, and he shot the thigh, and he knows how to skip. Even the scene where you see Nkosana under the sheet talking to me, where you thought I was there. I wasn't there. He shot that alone. I was not even in the room when they shot him lying in bed, as if we're both there. So it's easy to manipulate shots to make them look as real as they possibly can. I don't know. I think I've answered that. I don't know, Monty, if you'd like to add on to anything.
Yeah,
it's just that TV is make believe, and our responsibility is for audience to believe what we're doing. So, for the fact that people believe what they believe now, I think we're able to work, and it just shows how good the crew and the cast are on this show.
Yeah. But
And I think Phil, another thing is also how McDonald's will never tell you how they make their patties, how Chicken Licken makes the wings. We also cannot tell you everything because it's the